All right, guys, how you doing? It's been 8 months here since we finished this, quote unquote, finished this project here. Um, I really didn't finish when, I guess at the end of summer last year, I had a couple projects that just I needed to get done. So I had to get in here as soon as possible after the build. So we have this desk here that has worked very well temporarily, but it's not anything that I need or want it to be. So we're going to address that. I have an SSL that I'm building here from Serpent. I have acquired some amps and restored an amp that I had as a kid. I cleaned it up and recapped it and everything else. It works pretty awesome. Did a little modifications to it as well. Added a small little sofa, which is helpful. And other than that, it's a cluttered mess. So there's a couple things that I'm going to be doing over the next, I'd say, month or so. The first thing is I'm going to be building a desk here, which is going to essentially take this out, and I'm going to put everything in the desk. And I'll do a video on that shortly so you could see how I've planned it and how I'm going to build it, which should be fun and painstaking like everything else. So we're going to, again, we'll get rid of this, put all the gear in the desk that will go here. The desk will be quite a bit larger than this, but it will at least open up this space. And I'm going to build a little cabinet for these amps that's a little more sturdy than this. This is okay, but it's too high, number one, and number two, it's not quite sturdy enough. So I'm going to build a little cabinet for that as well in the next couple days. And again, finish up this SSL, which I'm really excited for. I've had these parts for a couple months now and haven't had the time to get to building it. So other than that, things have been really great. I don't have any complaints. For the longest time, I was using these KRK VXTs and also the Quested monitors. And I find that I'm really not using the KRKs any longer. I'm just using the Questeds. I don't think I'll get rid of them, but I may not mount them this way. What I do like to use the KRKs for is for tracking. If the client is tracking guitars and they don't want to use headphones, the KRKs are really bright and they can get pretty loud. So they're pretty good for the client. Other than that, there's just a couple little odds and ends that I have to finish up. But it has served me really great so far, and I really don't have any complaints. It's a little tight, as I knew it would be, but all in all, really great progress. It's been a great couple months, 8 months, and I'm looking forward to getting this desk done and finishing up all my patch bays. That's another thing I need to do. You know, I have connects here, I have connects over here. And right now they're just hardwired into the preamps. So if I really want to change anything, I have to reach behind the rack, and we all have been there, and that's the worst. So there's a patch bay in here which is not even wired up. So I'm going to wire that up, get that all set in stone, and get all my electric set in stone. And we should be finally done in the next couple months, maybe even a little less. And I'm really looking forward to it. So, thanks for watching, guys. It's sorry it's been a little while. I have a couple things going on again in the next couple weeks, so there'll be more videos. I actually have to put a video up of all the pictures from my original build. There's just start from the beginning to the end, which is a really cool progress. So I'll get that up, and yeah, appreciate you hanging out. If you have any questions, leave them below. Leave me a like if I helped you out, and I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.